Shortcut headline news. Indian borderline. Chinese military force enter into beyond the limit of Chinese borderline. India has warned the Chinese military force control the Chinese ports and troops. India wants to solve every problem with bilateral talk with China. Defense Minister Mr. Rajnath Singh today is going to Russia to participate with the Shanghai Cooperative Conference. The Shanghai Cooperative Conference meeting is important because to solve a problem of India and China border and Ladakh area, to force the Chinese trade and export and import business, neighbors countries Japan and Australia are gathered to new plan to force the Chinese trade. Central Minister Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad has written the letter to Mr. Mark Jugis in India through Facebook, affecting and spoiling the community and society of India. We do not want to accept the affecting and spoiling the society and community through Facebook. Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Congress MP, criticized the Facebook and WhatsApp is supporting to BJP. Central government have to investigate the Facebook and WhatsApp. Education Minister Mr. K.P. Anbaragan is announced university final semester exam after September 15th. Exam list date will announce as soon as possible. In Tamil Nadu, Dindigul, Tiruvallur and other states has rained sufficiently. Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly meetings will begin in September 14th. Meeting will be in Kalaivanar Arangam. CBI investigating and collecting the evidence in connection with murder case father and son in Sathangulam district. Those who school against the online education rules and regulations, Tamil Nadu government will severely punish the schools. In Malaysian government not allowed the Indians to enter into Malaysia because India coronavirus is affecting more peoples. The world famous Venice International Film Festival celebrations today will begin. Venice country again pleasured, tourists gathered.